Hi, so this is gonna be my Toca Boca house tour. So this is the outside of the house. Yeah. So this is the fireplace, there's a doorbell and stuff. So let's get in with the house now. So this is the door right here. Okay. Oh, and I have some alcohol and like a little teapot of stuff. I also have like an alarm and cameras. So I'm gonna turn on the alarm and the cameras. So I'm gonna go here. This is my laundry area. So I just have a vacuum cleaner and stuff. So let's go here. Over here I have like a chair. Yeah. So I have some plants near the chair too. It's very nice. Okay, and here is my elevator. I have some stuff in it. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff. And this is my dog. It's a golden retriever. It's really cute. It's wearing a Santa Claus hat. It's very, very cute. She is my favorite dog, and she's eating cat food because I don't have any dog food. Poor thing. Over here, I have some cat food. And then, like, this is just my kitchen. I have a stove and a knife there and stuff. This is what's inside of my fridge. There's really not much. And I have a soda. That's so good. I love it. Okay, so inside of the drawer, but there's actual dog food, so I'm gonna show you the inside of the drawer. I don't know why there's dog food there, but I mean cat food. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so here is my favorite area. It is where I can watch some TV. It's the living room. Yeah. So it's my favorite area. And I have this really cute pillow. It's my favorite pillow. It's very soft. Here is where the kids eat, and I have this tiny fridge where I can put some soft drinks, and it's good. It's good. Yum. Now over here it's empty because I did not have any more space for any furniture because my house is already full. So sorry. Okay, so over here is our bedroom. This is some of my makeup and stuff and a computer to work on. And I also have this guitar. Okay, so over here I have a lot of more stuff, but whatever. I'm very happy. Okay, so let's go upstairs now in the elevator. Yeah. Okay, so it's gonna take a very long time since it's still saving, but I'm sure it's gonna be here soon. Okay, just wait. Okay, there we go. Okay, now let's get out of the elevator, and this is the patio here. So this is the patio. It's my favorite place. So I'm gonna sit down right here. So I really love this area because, like, yeah. And then if you're getting hungry, you can get some snacks here. And we also have a TV and stuff. And then inside, there's like some snacks, but I don't know why they didn't eat the snacks, so whatever. They might not like the snacks. I have like pictures. And this is another chair here, so yeah. And some pictures. Okay, on to the bathroom. Okay, let's go. So here we have a shower, and I have a face mask here. I have some care and stuff. So yeah. There we go, the shower is turned on. And the toilet. And I don't know why it really smells bad, so they didn't flush it. Okay, so here I have a face mask. I'm just gonna put it on. Okay, whatever. Okay, over here I have some skincare and stuff. that I usually do for my morning routine. I really love these stuff. I don't know why the vacuum cleaner's on, but whatever. Okay, so I have some toothpaste right here next to the bathtub. Oh no. Oh, okay, there we go. So that's actually a hot tub. Yeah, I really like the hot tub. I was going to jump in. Yeah, and I have some of this stuff here. Just some soap. Never mind if I leave it in. Okay, so this is the kids' bedroom. One of my kids' bedroom. So only in Toca Boca. So here he is. He's still 4. I mean like 5. Yeah. So his bedroom is really teenage. I don't know why. He's growing up so quickly. His room is already like a teenage style, but whatever. So this is him. I'm gonna put him back. Okay. He has like a guitar, and here he puts some of his toys. He likes these toys so much, I don't know why. Okay. He's growing up so quickly because he already likes this bedroom. Over here is the other kid's room. It's the younger one's room. Her name is Star. Her room is so cute. I love it. Okay, so right here is my teenage daughter's room. So her name is Casey. That's her bed, and she has like a trampoline. Yeah, she has a lot of makeup. So I don't know why. But that is all for now. So yeah. I'm just gonna show you a little bit of glimpse here on Casey's bedroom. She's growing up so quickly, and that's it for now, you guys. Bye! And I love you guys. Mwah.